In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Varo in 2025. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your finances without stepping into a physical bank, opening an account with Varo could be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive in and explore the seamless process of setting up your account online. First, you'll want to visit the Varo website. You can easily do this by typing Varo into your browser or following the link we'll provide in the description. Varo is known for its no hidden fees policy, high yield savings accounts, and options for credit building, making it an appealing choice for many. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features and benefits that Varo offers. It's always wise to understand what you're signing up for and how it can benefit your financial journey. Next, you'll notice a prominent Get Started button on the site. Clicking this will kick off the process of opening your new account. This part is designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each necessary step. As you begin, be sure to have your personal information handy, such as your social security number, a valid ID, and any other required details. It's all about ensuring that your application can be processed smoothly and efficiently. Now you'll need to provide the required information. This includes filling out forms with your personal data, which helps Varo verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. Take your time and ensure that everything is accurate. Mistakes could slow down your application process, and nobody wants that when you're eager to start utilizing all the features Varo has to offer. After submitting your information, you'll have to complete the application. This step will likely involve reviewing all the provided details to ensure accuracy. Double check that your contact information is correct, as this is how Varo will communicate with you regarding your account status. Once you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and submit your application. With those steps completed, return to Varo's main offerings page. Here, you'll again find information about the no hidden fees, high yield savings, and credit building opportunities Varo provides. Having an overview can help you think about how you might want to use your new account features to their fullest potential. Finally, you'll want to familiarize yourself with where Varo handles taxes. Visit their support section and click on Taxes. Understanding how taxes are managed with your account will help you better prepare for tax season and ensure you're making the most of any benefits offered. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through opening a checking account with Varo online. It's a straightforward process designed to give you control over your financial life right at your fingertips. Enjoy exploring all that Varo has to offer and happy banking.